Hi everyone, and today we have a daily selection of aviation footage. Enjoy your viewing pleasure. This footage shows a Starship missile exploding from the cockpit of an airplane. This highly skilled U.S. Navy FA-18 pilot requires 2 attempts to land during a severe storm. Look at the Feligrano landing by the pilots of this Delta. This British Airways Boeing 707 nearly suffers a tail strike after severe oscillation.
Can I just say I rest my case on that one now?
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Jet Moments, and we'll see you tomorrow.